Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about QR code generator. A quick response code is a two-dimensional pictographic code used for its fast readability and comparatively large storage capacity. The code consists of black modules arranged in a square pattern on a white background. The information encoded can be made up of any kind, for example, binary, alphanumeric, or any symbol system. So first, let's see the code of it. Let's open qrcode.py, import py QR code. This is a QR code generator and all of the helpers can be controlled manually. You are free to set any or all of the properties of your QR code. Now define the function QR code, def QR code, create the object called Q and create your text here, which is the data will be stored in that QR code. That is q py QR code dot create hello QR code. So this is the data which will be saved in QR code. Now store the QR code image as my.png and define the scale for the QR code. That is q.png my.png. In this name the QR code image will be saved and scale is 6. Now let's print the relevant message once it's generated. That is QR code generated. Now define the main function here. If name equals to main, lastly call the QR code function here. That is QR code. Now let's move to the output now. Open the terminal. Run the command as python qrcode.py. You can see that my QR code is generated. It's available in the same directory. My.png contains the QR code data. Once you scan the image, it will display what information is written in it. So that's it, pretty much simple in this video on QR code generator. Thank you for watching this video.